Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by powering down and isolating variables. Unplug the TV for 30 seconds to clear transient faults, then plug it back in and power on. While the set restarts, replace remote batteries and test the physical volume buttons on the TV to see if the issue is remote only. Next, open settings and verify audio output is set to TV speakers if you use internal sound. These first check separate hardware, remote, and software causes so you know what to troubleshoot next. Once done with basic checks, dig into sound settings and connections. In audio settings, reset sound mode, disable any volume limit or auto volume features, and ensure HDMI-C or ARC is configured correctly if using a receiver or soundbar. Inspect HDMI ARC or optical cables for damage. Swap them to rule out a bad cable. Make sure the TV firmware is current by installing any available updates from support. These steps fix mismatches and software bugs that often cause erratic volume behavior. If problems persist, perform a factory reset to restore default audio configurations, but back up any settings first because this clears apps and preferences. After reset, test volume on multiple inputs and with an external speaker or soundbar to determine whether the speaker hardware is failing. Make sure to document exact symptoms, when volume fails, whether LEDs respond, and which inputs are affected. If you still can't fix it, contact Samsung support with those notes or arrange a service visit. That targeted info speeds diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.